do you think of this event, Richard?
Oh, it's awesome. We're going to see a bunch of kids. Actually, there's already a bunch of kids that are going to participate. Come on out and see us. We're giving back to the community and participating in great community events, guys.
Shannon,
Hi.
what do you think of this event?
Oh, I love it. Every year that we come out, it's so much fun. I love looking at all the parades and floats.
Got all this candy.
Good morning. Catch.
There you go, look at there!
Catch. Here you go.